Okay, last problem on the review, problem 13. Mr. Watts wants to fence in a rectangular vegetable garden. He has 73 feet of fencing, and the garden has an area of 300 square feet. Which of the following could be the dimensions of Mr. Watts' garden? So let's draw a rectangle. The rectangle has a base and a height. When it's referring to 73 feet of fencing, that means our perimeter can't be greater than 73 feet. So perimeter is 2 times the base plus 2 times the height, because we have a base here and here and a height here and here. We add them all up and we get the perimeter. The area formula is base times height. So the best way to do these is to just try each one. Area for A equals base times height. Area equals 30 times 10. That is 300. So far so good. And we need to check the perimeter. 2 times the base plus 2 times the height. Perimeter is 2 times 30 plus 2 times 10. 2 times 30 is 60 plus 2 times 10 is 20. That's 80 feet of fencing, and we don't have 80 feet. We only have 73 feet, so that's not going to work. Let's draw that and just make sure we understand what we just did there. This is 10 and this is 30. When we use this formula, it was the same as taking two 30s and adding them together. 30 plus 30 is 60 plus 10 is 20. 60 plus 20 is 80. Let's try the next one. This rectangle is 12 by 25 feet. Area equals base times height. 25 times 12. Multiplying by the 1, we're multiplying by 10, so start with a 0. 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 1 is 2. Adding those up, we get 300. So this is also 300 feet squared. Let's check the perimeter. 25 and 25 is 50, plus 12 and 12 is 24. That equals 74. That's just a little bit more than we have, so that won't work. Answer choice C. I'm running out of room here. I think I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to clear off what I have so far. If you need to write any of that down, go ahead and pause the video, write it down, and then I'm going to clear it off. C says the rectangle is 8 feet by 28.5 feet. So area equals base times height, so 28.5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40, carry the 4. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 4 is 68, carry the 6. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 6 is 22. 1 decimal place here, no decimal places here, so 1 decimal place in our answer. So this area is 228 feet squared. That is not 300 feet, so that one's out. So it must be the last one. Let's make sure. 12.5 by 24. Area equals base times height. So 24 times, actually, if I was doing 24 times 12.5, I'm multiplying decimals, I ignore the decimals, so it's like I'm multiplying 24 times 125. Would really set it up this way. And then deal with the decimal at the end. 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 1 times 2 is 2. Add those up, you get 300. 1 decimal place here, no decimal places here, so 1 decimal place in our answer. So the area is 300 feet squared. 24 plus 24 is 48. 12 and a half plus 12 and a half is 25, and 48 plus 25 does equal 73. So our area and our perimeter match the description in the problem for answer choice D only. So that's the correct answer choice. Okay, hope that helped with the review. Don't forget, both of those review packets are homework, and they'll help you a lot on the test. So if you're watching all these and working hard on them, good job, and I'll see you tomorrow.